Welcome to American Northwest Magazine. Please like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and share this video. Please view the description which is below this video by clicking on the word more, perhaps several times. There you will find a link to help support this channel by taking you to the websites and allowing you to make your everyday purchases on Amazon and our other affiliates' websites, as well as on our online store website, American Northwest Products. You'll also find the links to the websites that contributed to our research on these subjects, and we highly encourage you to click on these links for your further understanding of the subjects and to see the actual images that may be essential in understanding these subjects, partially because we may not be able to display these images due to copyright restrictions, and that the media library that this artificially intelligent video curating tool has to offer is very limited. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel, and we hope you enjoy the video. Neanderthals, either known as a separate species, Homo neanderthalensis, or a subspecies of Homo sapiens identified as H. sapiens neanderthalensis, are closely linked to modern humans, sharing a common ancestor several 100,000 years ago. Alternatively, Denisovans, who are an extinct group of archaic humans, have an indeterminate taxonomic classification due to scarce fossil material. They could represent a fresh Homo species or an ancient Homo sapiens subspecies. Denisovans have been proactively suggested to be designated as H. denisova or H. altaiensis. Some researchers, supported by paleontologist Chris Stringer, argue that Denisovans were Homo longi group members. It is well known that both of these groups interbred with modern humans and each other, adding to the genetic diversity of today's specific regional populations. Intriguingly, a significant number of modern humans inherit a minor percentage of DNA from these ancient human relatives, Neanderthals and Denisovans. This percentage varies based on an individual's geographic and ethnic roots. For instance, Neanderthal DNA. On an average, persons of European or Asian origin bear around 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA. African communities, conversely, have little or no Neanderthal DNA, given Neanderthals dwelled in Europe and Western Asia. Denisovan DNA. Denisovan DNA is predominantly found in the Melanesian population, which is from the broad area around Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands, accounts for approximately 4 to 6% of their DNA. The ratios are reduced in other Southeast Asian and Pacific Islander communities, and almost none or unobservable in other regions of the globe. Some modern humans, notably those of South Asian ancestry, may attribute up to 5% of their lineage to Denisovans. Bear in mind, these percentages are mean values and can deviate among individuals from the same community. The manifestation of this DNA ensues from the crossbreeding between modern humans and these archaic humans during their coexistence tens of millennia ago. Before we look into specific regions, let's explore how Denisovan DNA has been traced in modern humans across the globe. Recent studies have revealed that Denisovan genetic material is not just confined to certain geographical areas, but is spread widely among various populations. This dispersion highlights a complex pattern of ancient human migration and interbreeding. Using sophisticated DNA sequencing techniques, scientists have been able to identify Denisovan ancestry in people from Asia, Oceania, and even some parts of Europe. This widespread genetic influence suggests that Denisovans once roamed much farther and in greater numbers than previously thought. Join us as we trace the journey of Denisovan genes from their origins in ancient times to their presence in the genetic makeup of diverse modern populations, unraveling the story of human evolution and migration through the lens of genetics. Exploring the diverse terrains of Papua New Guinea, from the sprawling lowlands to the rugged highlands, recent comprehensive research has uncovered Denisovan genetic markers among the local inhabitants, demonstrating a profound impact on their biology. These genetic components, constituting up to 5% of their DNA, are inherited by modern humans and are crucial for the locals' ability to adapt to various environmental challenges. Particularly at lower altitudes, the presence of Denisovan genes significantly enhances the immune systems of individuals, providing them with robust defenses against a wide range of infections. Additionally, at higher elevations, these genes are pivotal in boosting the Highlanders' ability to endure hypoxia, the state of reduced oxygen typical of high altitudes. This adaptation is facilitated by the Denisovan ancestry's contribution to the synthesis of special proteins that increase cellular efficiency under oxygen scarcity, thereby enhancing survival rates in harsh, high-altitude conditions. a key study published in Nature Communications, along with further investigations reported in the Journal of Human Genetics and the American Journal of Physical Anthropology, highlights the critical role of Denisovan traits in developing stronger immune defenses and their overall influence on health, physiological adaptations, and survival strategies in these communities. These findings offer a vivid picture of how ancient human history continues to impact contemporary human biology through a complex web of genetic legacies. In the western regions of the Philippines, the Ada Magbucan distinguished themselves as a particularly unique ethnic group. Notably, they possess an exceptionally high proportion of Denisovan DNA, the highest documented among any population worldwide. This significant discovery was made by researchers at Uppsala University, who found that between 30 to 40% of the Ada Magbucan's genetic makeup is derived from Denisovan ancestors. Such a high percentage is not seen in other indigenous groups, including those from Papua New Guinea, which were previously thought to have the most substantial Denisovan DNA. Published in the journal Current Biology, this research highlights how the Ada Magbucan's prolonged periods of isolation and minimal interbreeding with other migrating groups into the region have allowed them to preserve ancient genetic links. These findings are crucial, as they offer a glimpse into the ancient human migrations and interactions in Oceania, and underscore the importance of genetic diversity in understanding human evolutionary history. The Ada Magbucan's unique genetic composition showcases the complex dynamics of human evolution in this part of the world, emphasizing the profound influence that archaic humans, like the Denisovans, have had on the genetic framework of modern humans. Recent breakthroughs in ancient DNA technology have dramatically expanded our understanding of human history, illustrating a more interconnected evolution among early human species. Improved methods such as next-generation sequencing and enhanced contaminant identification techniques now allow scientists to extract and decode genetic material from remains that are over 40,000 years old, with unprecedented accuracy and detail. These advancements have uncovered that Homo sapiens coexisted and interbred with Neanderthals, Denisovans, and Homo floresiensis, suggesting a shared journey in human evolution rather than the previously believed isolated progression. This evidence directly challenges the traditional view of a linear human evolutionary tree, proposing instead a complex web of branches involving continuous genetic exchange. It has been revealed that these interactions contributed significantly to the genetic diversity of modern humans, affecting everything from immune system efficiency to physical characteristics such as skin color and height. The notion that early human species were mere evolutionary sidelines has been replaced by a recognition of their significant roles in shaping the modern human genome. Moreover, the integration of DNA from these different hominins into early modern humans underscores a story of survival and adaptation through cooperation and genetic integration, rather than mere competition and displacement. These revelations are not only redefining our understanding of human ancestry, but are also highlighting the dynamic and interconnected nature of evolution itself. By emphasizing the shared evolutionary journey, this new perspective enriches our comprehension of human history and our place within it, illustrating a complex interplay of genetics and environment that has driven our species' development and adaptation over millennia. These studies highlight the complex interplay between genetics and geography in shaping human evolution over the ages. Genetics, serving as the fundamental blueprint of life, combines with the geographical spread of populations to forge the diverse human characteristics and adaptations we observe today. A key example of this dynamic is the Denisovans, ancient human relatives, whose DNA has crucially deepened our understanding of human history. Research into Denisovan genetic material illuminates not only historical human migrations, but also how humans have tailored their physiological traits to meet various environmental challenges. This includes developing resistance to diseases and adjusting to low oxygen levels in high-altitude areas. The insights gained from Denisovan DNA are essential, revealing significant adaptations in our immune system and our bodily responses to extreme environments. These findings demonstrate the significant impact of ancient genetics on contemporary human health and survival techniques. By studying ancient DNA, we gain valuable information that not only decodes our past, but also fuels ongoing research aimed at understanding how the intertwined roles of genetics and geography continue to influence human evolution. This research is vital potentially leading to revolutionary insights in disease understanding, human developmental biology, and the dynamics of human populations in a swiftly changing global landscape. Transitioning from our exploration of Denisovan DNA, we now delve into another fascinating chapter of our prehistoric past, the Neanderthals. This ancient group, closely related to Denisovans, diverged from the ancestors we share with apes approximately 600,000 years ago. Both Neanderthals and Denisovans have left an indelible mark on the genetic makeup of modern humans outside Africa. Emerging distinctly in the timeline of evolution, Neanderthals and their Denisovan cousins developed unique adaptations that enabled them to survive in diverse and challenging environments across Europe and Asia. Their stories are not just ones of survival, but also of interaction and interbreeding with Homo sapiens. This genetic mingling has contributed significantly to our genetic repertoire, offering resistance to cold climates, enhancing our immune responses, and even affecting our neurological developments. The legacies of Neanderthals and Denisovans, intertwined with our own, offer a profound glimpse into the complexity of human evolution. They reveal a shared journey that has sculpted the modern human, highlighting how these ancient relatives have influenced everything from our physical characteristics to our ability to adapt to global changes. As we continue to unravel these genetic threads, we gain not only insights into our past, but also valuable knowledge that impacts our future in the realm of medicine and human biology. As we journey deeper into the genetic odyssey of our ancient ancestors, we uncover the direct impact their DNA has on modern medicine today. The integration of Neanderthal and Denisovan genetic material into the genome of contemporary humans is not merely a historical curiosity. It has practical applications that are revolutionizing our approach to health and disease treatment. For instance, certain Neanderthal genes have been linked to immune system strengths that provide enhanced protection against viruses and bacteria, a trait that may have been crucial for early humans migrating into new environments. Further research has shown that genetic variants inherited from Denisovans can influence fat metabolism, potentially offering advantages in energy use and storage. These insights are paving the way for personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to genetic backgrounds, enhancing efficacy and reducing side effects. Studying these ancient genes helps scientists develop new drugs that mimic their beneficial effects, offering hope for combating diseases that currently have no cure. The fusion of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science not only helps us manage contemporary health challenges, but also propels us into a future where our medical treatments are as unique as our individual genetic history. As we continue to decode the secrets of ancient DNA, we not only understand our past better, but also improve our prospects for a healthier future. As we delve deeper into the realm of ancient DNA, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations and the potential for future discoveries that could further transform our understanding of human history and science. The ability to extract and analyze DNA from ancient remains is a powerful tool, raising important questions about privacy, consent, and the implications of genetic knowledge. Firstly, ethical dilemmas emerge regarding the rights of indigenous communities and ancient populations. Who truly owns ancient DNA, and who gets to decide how it's studied and used? As we navigate these waters, it's vital to work closely with local communities, respecting their customs, beliefs, and legal rights, ensuring that research is conducted in a manner that is both scientifically rigorous and culturally sensitive. The potential for future discoveries is immense. As technology advances, we might be able to reconstruct more complete genetic profiles of ancient species, perhaps even leading to de-extinction or the resurrection of traits long lost to evolution. Such capabilities pose profound ethical questions about our role as stewards of genetic technology and the consequences of altering natural genetic timelines. The integration of ancient DNA research into broader scientific and historical narratives is reshaping our understanding of human evolution, migration, and the interconnectedness of diverse human groups. This not only enriches our knowledge of the past, but also teaches valuable lessons for managing genetic diversity and health in contemporary populations. As we stand on the brink of these exciting scientific frontiers, it is imperative that we proceed with caution and foresight, embracing the vast opportunities while thoughtfully considering the moral implications of our discoveries. If we incorporate these protocols effectively, ancient DNA can continue to illuminate the past and improve the future without overstepping the bounds of ethical science. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to view the description and click on the links, and please click on the like button. Subscribe and watch the other videos on our channel.